Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys camera watermark setting, how to use. Friends, you want to use oppo mobile camera watermark setting. So friends, now let's see how to use oppo mobile camera watermark setting one by one, step by step, friends we will talk about. So before start the video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, in your oppo mobile, how to use camera watermark setting. Open your phone setting. Sorry friends, open your phone camera and open your phone camera setting. Friends, click here camera watermark setting. If you click here, so you can on your phone watermark, and if you click a custom watermark, so you can use your 20 words watermark. You have limit. And friends, if you click here, so you can use your date and time camera watermark you want to on, so you can on. Friends, now I will take photo in my oppo mobile. Flash photo friends we will on. Friends, tap here, photo will click in your oppo mobile, and friends you can check your camera watermark on your photo. So friends, left side and right side friends you can check your camera watermark in your android mobile and in your oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile you can check your date and time camera watermark. Date and time camera watermark will show on your photo. You can check correct time and correct date. So friends, now we will take one more photo without watermark. So friends, you want to remove your photo watermark you want to remove, so you can remove. After remove watermark friends, again you can take photo in your oppo mobile, and friends you can check photo will change here. Click here, friends you can check this photo. You cannot use camera watermark setting. Left side down side you can see camera watermark is not here, but this photo we have date and time camera watermark. So once you want to use oppo mobile date and time camera watermark setting, so you can use, and you don't want to use, so friends you can remove your camera watermark from your photo when you will take photo in your oppo mobile. So you can use you can take photo without watermark, and you want to take photo with watermark, so you can on your camera watermark. Friends, camera sound setting you can on, you can off. If you click here, when you will take photo you can use camera sound, and you don't want to use your camera sound, so friends you can off your oppo mobile camera sound. If you click here camera setting, your camera sound will off. So like that friends, you can use oppo mobile camera setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you find out you have any problem in oppo mobile camera setting, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.